clear to you? Arbeiten Sie von zu Hause. It is what? So that is we now you know what? I tell you one thing. Again, in your B2 level, my friends, you have to go for an argumentation. Now there would be two students sitting. You will be sitting in front of examiner, and the next student also will sit in front of the examiner. So you have to talk. Now the first will say some different arguments. You will say some different arguments, my friends. So basically, what is work from home? What you understand about work from home, my friends? Today I will write something out of it, and you need to read aloud, and you can add on your point of view also. I'm saying working from home. Das Arbeiten von zu Hause ist möglich. It is possible, obviously. This is my point of view. Now I have to go for a debate of work from home. I'm saying das Arbeiten von zu Hause ist möglich. This is possible because it is a flexible form of work that allows employees to carry out their task. Da es sich seine flexible Arbeitsform handelt. It allows you to the flexible form of the, tell me, flexible Arbeitsform handelt. Die es Arbeitnehmen,
Content.
die, die es Arbeitnehmen ermöglicht,
One.
ihre Aufgaben, what is Aufgaben, your task, auf dem privaten Umfeld auszuführen. Write it down, please. Now, what we are talking about, my friends, we're talking about it is a complete, what is auszuführen? That is to carry out, which is to lead, to carry out. Is it clear to you? Clear? What is the vocab of Umfeld, privaten Umfeld, a private environment? Because you'll get a privaten Umfeld, you'll get a private atmosphere in your house. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. So my first argument is I'm saying
Yes.
das Arbeiten von zu Hause ist möglich, da es sich eine flexible Arbeitsform handelt. It is a flexible form of the Arbeitsform that allows die es Arbeitnehmen ermöglicht ihre, now what is that? Tell me, what is ihre Aufgaben? Tell me their task to carry out
Okay.
with a private environment. Is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes and no. Was du
Yes, sir.
denkst, what do you think about this Arbeit, Arbeitenhause, the work from home option? Arbeiten Sie von zu Hause. Is it clear to you? Clear? And the next we can say, my
Yes.
friend, because we have to go for an argumentation again and again. And I see I can give my, I'm saying whether this is suitable for you depending upon the individual factor, I'm not sure. Ob diese für Sie geeignet ist. What is geeignet? That is to suitable. Whether it is suitable for you, I'm not sure. Hängt von individuellen Faktoren ab und ist erfordert durch Selbstorganisation und Self-Organization and Discipline. Viele Berufe eignen sich dafür, darunter Programmieren, Schreiben, Design, Virtual Assistance und Kundenservice. It is a virtual assistant and the customer service, my friend. Now over here, we have a content, whether this is suitable for you, Uber, dieses für Sie geeignet ist. So geeignet is what? Suitable. So I'm saying whether it
Suitable.
is Uber diese für Sie geeignet ist, whether it is suitable for you, I'm not sure. Is it clear to you? I'm used the vocab over here. Hängt von individuellen Faktoren ab. It depends. It hanged upon. It depends upon the individual factor. Hängt von individuellen Faktoren ab. Very simple, my friend. Und ist erfordert, it required. Gute, good, Selbstorganisation und Discipline, it required. What is erforderlich? We have done erforderlich. Tell me yes or no to requirement. It required the self or organization. You organize self. Selbstorganisation. Erfordert is erfordert or erforderlich. On discipline. Viele Berufe, many careers. What is Beruf? Your profession. Eignen
Profession.
sich dafür. They are suitable for. What is eignen over here? Suitable. Dafür is upon. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no. So we have two synonyms for suitable. What is geeignet? Geeignet is what?
Right.
Geeignet is what?
Suitable.
Geeignet is what? Suitable. And
Suitable.
eignen is what? Is also suitable.
Suitable.
So suitable is what? Geeignet and eignen.
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Darunter
Yes.
including darunter. Programmieren, schreiben, that is program writing, design, anything we can say. Virtual assistant, the virtual assistant, und Kundenservice. Is it clear to you, my team? Is it clear to you? So if I
Yes,
ask
sir.
you, my
Yes, sir.
friends, what you know, was du weißt, was du weißt über Arbeitenhause, work from home option. Is it clear to you? Now, es gibt viele Vorteile. Es gibt viele Vorteile. It means there are many fertile, many advantages. Fertile, what is fertile? Tell me. Advantages, tell me yes and no.
Advantages.
Clear? See, I tell you one thing. Now you have to, because you have many vocabs, Satwinder, Pooja, you multiple
Yes.
vocabs to speak upon. And this is now you have to create, my friends. Flexibilität ist flexibel. Die Arbeit von zu Hause ermöglicht eine flexiblere Gesa- Ges Gestaltung. Gestaltung der Arbeitszeiten, was das uh, Pendeln erspart. What is that? I'm saying it is a flexible working from home which allows ermöglicht eine flexible Yes. Now, what is more flexible? It is more flexible design. Flexible Gestaltung. What is Gestaltung? The more flexible design. The work from home option can be designed in a way in a more flexible design. Is it clear to you? In nowadays, is it clear to you?
Design. Yes, sir. Flexible.
Is it clear, my friends?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is that? What is Gestaltung? Tell me. The flexible design, the flexible working. Der Arbeitszeiten. Is it clear to you? Was das Pendeln? What is Pendeln over here? Which commute? Which commute? What is Pendeln? Tell me.
Okay.
Commute.
Commute.
Ersparte. Spared. What is erspart? Save. Which is basically
Save.
which need to commute. Now erspart is what? To save.
Save.
Now I'm saying was das Pendeln erspart, which saves commuting. What is you commute from one place to another the moment you start a job. But the work from home which save the commuting. Was das Pendeln? Tell me. Ersparte. Erspart is what? Save, which save commuting cost. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
second
sir.
is what? Productivität. Your productivity. Your productivity. Is it clear to you?
Eight. Product.
Now, if I'm saying, because I tell you one thing, now you have to consider, my friends, you are sitting in examination, and one person, one student is saying like anything in this Vorteile, Nachteile. You have to encounter, either you have to speak. It could be you accept or you encounter. Is it clear, my friends? So what you will say? Yes, write it down. Yes, how you encounter, my friends, to next person in your B2 level. Yes, it is totally right. Write it down. Yes, it is totally right. And I am fully agreed with your statement. So ja, das ist faulisch richtig. Und ich stimme Ihre Aussage voll und ganz. What I'm talking about? Das ist faulisch richtig. What is that? It is totally right. Und ich stimme Ihre. And I'm fully agreed with your statement. Und ich stimme Ihre Aussage voll und ganz. What I'm talking about? I'm totally. What is steamer? I'm totally agreed with your voice, with your statement. Aussage. Is it clear to you? If you say not at all, write it down. Not at all. I'm not agreed at all. I'm not agree with your point of view. You have to encounter, my friend. Not at all. Überhaupt nicht. Überhaupt nicht. Not at all. Überhaupt nicht. Ich stimme deiner Meinung überhaupt nicht zu. Ich stimme deiner Meinung. What is Meinung? Your Meinung is what? Your declaration. Überhaupt nicht zu. Ich stimme deiner Meinung nicht zu. It means I'm not agree with your point of view, with your statement. Meinung. Is it clear to you? Now we are talking about Produktivität. Produktivität is what? The productivity. Now, for example, viele Menschen können zu Hause konzentriert arbeiten. I'm saying many people they can work very, concentratedly at home. Viele Menschen, lot of people können, is it clear to zu Hause? Concentrator is, what is that? Concentrator is what? The concentratedly arbeiten. In besonders
Concentrated.
especially wenn sie einen ergonomically ein, ein gerichteten Arbeitsplatz haben. What is Arbeitsplatz? The workplace. When, especially if they have ergonomically designed workstation, ergonomisch eingerichteten. What is eingerichteten? Tell me. Is to have a setup, a funny setup. Eingerichteten, or furnished.
Brain.
Arbeitsplatz. This is your productivity. Is it clear to him? Just getting one phone call. Please be online, my friends.
Activity.
So basically, what you're talking about, lot of people viel Menschen können sie Hause konzentriert arbeiten, insbesondere wenn sie einen ergonomischen, eingerichteten Arbeitsplatz haben. Is it until they don't, if they have a furnished workplace? Is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I will say Nachteil, what is Nachteil? The disadvantage? Because you know, my friends, you have to speak upon, like you can say like anything. You have the vocab, you can use the vocab. So I'm saying es gibt Nachteil. Zum Beispiel, for example, Einsamkeit. Einsamkeit is what? Loneliness. What is Einsamkeit? Tell me,
Loneliness.
Einsamkeit
No,
is a
lonely. And
Einsamkeit,
and
loneliness. Langfristig kann die fehlende soziale Interaktion mit Kollegen exactly genau zu Einsamkeit führen. Now, a long term, the lack of what is feeling, the lack of social interaction with colleague can lead to a furnace to lead to a loneliness. My friends, you'll get any topic and you have to go for an argumentation, my friends. Is it clear to you? And now this is your task, you have to practice. And the next I can say discipline. Tell me yes and no. See, we are working for
discipline.
many patrons. We discussed many patrons, and now you have to speak upon, my friends. Tomorrow you have your speaking exam, speaking test. Is it clear to you? I'll give you any topic you have to speak upon. For an you now first what other will say you have to understand you have to speak upon. Es erfordert eine gute Selbstorganisation Arbeitszeiten, Arbeitszeiten und Pausen einzuhalten und nicht abgelenkt zu werden. Yes. It requires good organization to stick to a working und pausen und and what is break? Now you're working as a work from home, you take many breaks. Pausen einzuhalten. What is pausen einzuhalten? To take a break. What to say to take a break? Pausen einzuhalten. Is it clear to you?
Break.
Und nicht abgelenkt zu werden and not to be distracted. Und nicht and not. What is abgelenkt? Distracted. What is a distraction? Tell me.
Distracted.
Abgelenkt. Is it clear to you?
Distraction.
Now, for example, you divert, right? What terms we use for divert? You divert, right? So divert we have umleiten, ablenken, distract, ablenken, lighten, ableiten, deviate. Is it clear to Sistoran is what? You scatter. Tauschen is what? Deceive. These are the vocab for your distraction, my friends. I tell you one thing, you have to practice with this content. I'm giving you many vocabs on a daily basis, my friends. In the last session also, I've given some vocabularies. Tell me yes or no. To
Yes,
go
sir.
for
Yes, sir.
argumentation and to write something for this P2 level. I'm giving you a task now, my friends. I have given you my point of view today. Is it clear to you? You have to create your point of view. Then you can
Yes, sir.
use the lines, you can use the vocab, and you have to create your point of view and you submit, my friends. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So what to say? Submit in German. Tell me. Einreichen. Submit your point of view. Einreichen is to submit. Is it clear to you? Clear? So, my friends,
Yes,
you
sir.
need to submit your point of view. Very important. The topic is work from home. So tomorrow you have to. Tomorrow is your test for speaking. Pooja, Satvinder, now Satvinder will say something. Then Pooja have to encounter that you can accept also. Is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So I will share this recording also, my friends. What I want is you need now. It is your practice. It is effortless. It requires. Is it clear to you? Does the
Yes.
in that you practice? You need to gather all your vocab list. Almost how many vocabs we have, my friends? Tell me. I think we have almost 500 to 600 vocabs, a new vocabs. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
So practice. Is it clear to you? Clear? Okay. So I'm going to share this recording, my friends. Tomorrow, please speak upon, and I won't say anything. You have to speak upon, my friends. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Just practice hard. I will share the recording of this class, my friends. Okay.